let's focus sa word na support, no? It's really important to have a support system, especially nowadays that it's hard for us to find person or individual or group or organization that can help us navigate our mental state, especially kapag medyo mahirap na yung pinagdadaanan natin. Most of the time, we need to actually share our mental state sa family natin, pero mas marami din na meron tayong connections like this kind of organization in the future.
I take care always myself na pagising sa umaga, ang talagang tanging weapon ko is prayers talaga. At yun, maiiwasan natin, ako naiiwasan ko yung stress na yan, yung mga anxiety na yan, sa pamamagitan ng pag-iwas sa social media, yan. Especially yan, kasi mas more on mag-concentrate ka sa ginagawa mo, yung mga activities like papawis, tapos magbasa-basa ka ng libro, marami ka pang matututunan. Sobra. Personally ako talaga, yun talaga ginagawa ko talaga. Tsaka, sabi nila minsan, introvert ako. Gusto ko lang magbisikleta, punta sa isang lugar, magmuni-muni. Napakalakas. Napakalaking tulong para sa akin, yung ganung pagkakataon.
I think, there are a lot of mental health challenges out there na each and every individual really experiences differently. The one thing that I could say na parang they could all connect to each other is what was said earlier na if you need help, do not be scared to ask for help. Parang if may tutulong sa'yo, i-accept mo na kasi you wouldn't know kailan or when that help will come.
First thing that I do, I actively exercise regularly. I at least run once a week. Tapos, pag may pinagdadaanan ako like problems in life, I try to open up sa close friends ko para hindi naiipon yung sama ng loob. Ayan, yun yung top 2 na ginagawa ko sa sarili ko.
Kasi I'm a very sporty person, very active. So, minsan yung mga workouts ko, which I do pretty much every day, hindi na siya more for the physical reason na. Minsan doon ko nilalabas yung mental problems ko, minsan sobrang stress ko and all. Doon ko siya nilalabas. Kasi nakaka-help siya para ma-relieve ko yung stress ko. Tapos makatulong sa akin, yun, emotionally, mentally. Tapos also what I do is I catch up with my friends, my family. I pray to God most especially kasi by that way, I can, catch up with everybody. Masabi ko lahat ng nararamdaman ko and all. Tapos maramdaman ko na hindi rin ako nag-iisa. Yun, that's pretty much what I do.
For me, for those na nagsistruggle sa mental health, just remember na you're not alone. And actually maraming